Hey, what is happening YouTube? This is your boy TechTrex back with another video. And today we are looking at the Kika Mi Mix phone. Let me just show you the sides here. I don't know what they've been doing, but they delivered this so poorly. The box is like broken or whatever. They just threw in the van good enough. Let me open it up. And here's the phone. Comes with this plastic cover. I don't know why they do this, but whatever. And here's the phone. Shows off the Kika Mix name on the front. Has plastic front, plastic back. Really nice. Let me just take this box out of accessories. They really complicated this part. The tab is caved in. Comes with a silica gel. Throw that out. Let's open up the box. Comes with the charger, USB-C to USB-A. They gave me a wall plug Asian charger. I don't know why. These are the headphones. Comes with a case, clear case for the phone. They're very good at this. Comes with the case already. Some literature, SIM card pokey thing, some literature. Maybe you want to read about the Ligu, Mi Mix, some warranty card no one cares about. And that's it. Just throw these on the side. Now let's look at the most important part of this video is the phone. Here we go. Now comes the best parts. I know how you guys want to hear the plastic come off. And here goes the phone. This comes with no bezel style, just a big chin. The front camera is on the bottom side. It comes with a fingerprint scanner. The power button is on the side. Let me tell you about this phone. It is 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display, 1.5 gigahertz octa-core CPU. Front camera is 13 megapixel. The rear camera is main 13 megapixel and a sub 2 megapixel. It comes with two cameras in the back, dual SIM, 3 gigs of RAM, a 32 gigs ROM memory, and 3000 milliamp polymer battery. I bought this phone from DHgate. I'll put the link down in the description. Here we go. Let's get started. There's SIM card, all this stuff, blah, blah, blah. Get connected, maybe later. Just want to get into the phone and see it. Here we go. And we're inside the phone. The volume rocker is on the right side, not the typical on the other side. It has dual cameras. One is 2 megapixel only, just to remind you of that. And here's the quality for the rear camera. And now let's see the quality for the front camera. It comes with this Lego theme that they have here. Doesn't have a headphone jack. This SIM card tray is on the top left. It also have a memory card slot. Dual SIM. I like phones like these because they don't break the bank at all. And you still get the stylish look to show off people. Android phones are really good at that nowadays. Hey, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the comments below. Peace. To show off people.